Are you looking for best robot vacuums? Look no further. Here we listed the 5 best robot vacuums to buy on Amazon. At number 5. The new Samsung JetBot AI Plus Robot Vacuum Cleaner and Clean Station had LiDAR sensors, a 3D camera, and advanced AI object recognition technology, which identifies and avoids objects in your home. It adjusts to multiple floor surfaces, such as hardwood and carpet, for an optimized clean. Monitor your home through a live video stream to your mobile phone with JetLive Home Monitoring, and use the no-touch, hygienic Clean Station to automatically empty the dustbin. Comprehensive 5-layer HEPA filtration system traps up to 99.99% of dust. JetBot AI Plus identifies the type of floor surface and power needed to clean thoroughly and deeper into carpets with power control technology. Select where the cordless vacuum should or should not clean right from your mobile device. JetBot recognizes rooms and cleans areas selectively. Check JetBot status using the SmartThings app. Quickly view movement on a map of your home from wherever you are and see where it has cleaned. Instruct it to pause or stop and view the cleaning history. The 0.25-liter dustbin is fully washable. Its high-efficiency brush has fine, anti-static fibers and self-cleaning extractors to avoid tangles. Clean your home using voice recognition, compatible with Bixby, Google Assistant, and Amazon Alexa. At number 4. Dreametech W10 Robot Vacuum Cleaner and Mop. 4,000 Pascal super strong suction and the 19.2 cm ultra-long roller brush make cleaning more effective. Intelligent return cleaning of the mop and hot air drying makes your cleaning healthier and cleaner. The W10 Robot Vacuum is equipped with a 4L clean tank and a 4L sewage tank. 210 minutes over long runtime. W10 Robot Vacuum will return to charging automatically when the battery is low and return to the original place to continue cleaning after charging. W10 adopts advanced LiDAR navigation with the latest high-intelligence algorithm. You can customize the cleaning restricted area and mopping restricted area. W10 is compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant. At number 3. Here is the Roborock S7 Plus Robot Vacuum and Sonic Mop. Sonic floor mopping technology scrubs up to 3,000 times per minute, removing dried-on dirt that some robots may leave behind, from mud to coffee and more. Auto-lifting convenience. After sensing a carpet, S7 lifts its mop to vacuum without wetting the carpet. The mop will lift when returning to the dock to prevent spreading dirt. Ultrasonic carpet detection. Choose the best way to handle carpets in your home. Options include mop lifting and even wet mopping. Boost mode will also increase suction for deeper cleaning when carpet is detected. Multi-directional floating brush for planes of movement allows the brush to stick closer to the floor on uneven surfaces. 2,500 pascals of hyperforce suction picks up dirt from floors, lifts it from cracks, and draws it from carpets. Consistent pressure of 600 G delivers effective mopping throughout the clean. The self-empty dock empties the robot automatically after cleanup, so you can clean without emptying for up to 120 days. Multi-layer air filtration. Keep dirt inside the dock and onboard filtration system capturing 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. A quick pull of the dust bag seals it shut, ready for instant disposal. Comprehensive app control, route tracking, schedule cleaning, set clean intensity, carpet display. Precision LiDAR navigation creates accurate maps of your home and effectively tracks cleaning routes. Adaptive route algorithms constantly refine these routes for maximum efficiency. Control your robot with just a few words. Compatible with Google Home, Alexa, and Siri. For price and other details, links are available in the description. At number 2. iLife V9e Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Set up your floor cleaning routine on ILIFE. The robot will automatically clean based on the preset schedule. Able to handle different cleaning tasks. Auto mode is good for large spaces. Max mode provides enhanced suction. Spot mode cleans a small area with intense suction. Edge mode concentrates on corners and edges. Provides up to 4,000 pascals powerful suction in spot mode, easily picks up everything from fine debris to large particles. Powered by the superior brushless motor, the V9E provides a powerful and sustainable suction with a long lifespan. Advanced 3-stage isolates particles of different sizes, captures and traps small trash and debris, removes at least 99.95% of tiny particles. Equipped with a full set of sensors, let the V9E avoid collisions, accidental falls, and reduce bumping while cleaning. Large 700 ml dustbin. Reduce the frequency of emptying. Simply press the release button to dispose of trash. It works with Alexa, start and stop cleaning with your voice commands. Up to 110 minutes runtime, equipped with a premium Li-ion battery. Searches for the dock when the power is low and automatically charges so it is always prepared to clean. At number 1. iRobot Roomba S9 Plus Robot Vacuum with Automatic Dirt Disposal. Perfect edge technology with advanced sensors and a specially designed corner brush optimized cleaning deep into corners and along edges. Ideal for homes with pets. 30% wider dual multi-surface rubber brushes don't get tangled with pet hair. High-efficiency filter traps 99% of cat and dog allergens. Groundbreaking technology makes the S9 Plus our smartest, most powerful robot vacuum yet. With 40x the suction power, the superior 3-stage cleaning system lifts, loosens, then eliminates debris and pet hair from deep within your carpets for a clean you won't believe, with no effort from you. Automatically increases suction to clean even deeper into carpets with Power Boost technology. Roomba S9 Plus takes vacuuming off your mind with personalized cleaning suggestions powered by the unique intelligence of iRobot OS. Learns your habits and your routines. Intelligently maps and cleans an entire level of your home. vSlam navigation actively captures over 230,400 data points per second to optimize coverage. You can tell your robot to stay away from certain areas or objects with customizable keep-out zones. Forget about vacuuming for months at a time with the Clean Base automatic dirt disposal that allows the S9 Plus to empty itself for up to 60 days. Works with Google Home and Alexa-enabled devices. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and share with your friends. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel.